I'm good.
Deploying utility.
Hello everyone, today we are talking about Anvil. Also, before we start, subscribe to me and my friends. Their names are in the description. Let's get into it. Anvil is a tank of row company. His ability is barricade. That means he makes a wall to block damage. His passive is called immunity. It's what it sounds like. He is immune to EMP, slowness, and blind effects. His weapon loadout includes a shotgun, a LMG, a pistol, a baseball bat, C4, and an action protection system.
I got you, buddy.
His shotgun is a aberrator. It has 2 shots in each reload. It is a 2 shot to the body, 1 shot to the head. But its reload time is not the best in my opinion. When you upgrade his shotgun to tier 1, it makes his shotgun reload speed. Its tier 2 increases hip fire accuracy and reduces recycle bloom. Tier 3 makes it longer range. His LMG is called NLX Maw. Its body damage is 16 and his head damage is about 30. It also shoots fast. It's a medium range weapon. When you upgrade to tier 1, it increases magazine size and movement speed while aiming. Tier 2 increases damage range. Tier 3 reduces recoil and recycle bloom. His pistol is called Agitator. It's a it is a slower kind of pistol. It does 32 damage to the body, 45 to the head. It is also a medium range weapon. When you upgrade to tier 2, it increases magazine size. When you get to the last one was tier 1. This one's tier 2. When you go to tier 2, increases hip fire accuracy. It makes and reduces recoil. His melee is a baseball bat. It does 40 damage. Its throw damage is 100, and the swing rate is 2.22. Tier 1 makes it increase lunge. And tier 2 lunge distance. And tier 2 increases swing damage. One of the Anvil's gadgets is a C4. It does 100 damage. Tier 1 increases throw distance. And tier 2 damage increased to 150. Increases the active protection system. Deploy a gadget that negates the next incoming projectile. When you upgrade to tier 1, it decreases durability and protection radius. Tier 2 increases the gadget count by 1. His perks: Shredder Rounds, Berserker, Helping Hand, Intensity, and Headstrong, and Life Drain. Shredder Rounds deal more damage to equipment and carry more ammunition. Berserker makes you gain an ability to reload while sprinting. Helping Hand helps you revive teammates faster. Intensity makes it take reduced damage from explosions. Headstrong makes it so you can gain an additional 25 armor. Life Drain makes it so you're downing an enemy helps heals for a significant amount of over a short duration. That's it for the video. Bye. Also, sorry for all the times I stuttered.
Go here.
Deploying utility.
I'm down.
Move here.
Enemies are running low on reinforcements.
What goes around, partner?
Deploying utility.
Need help. Enemies
5 lives
spotted.
left. Let's make them count. They're out of reinforcements. Finish the job.
Go here. Go here.
45 seconds and this one's ours.
Buddy, you are so slow.
Seconds to go. Keep it steady.
I'm
We've
down.
destroyed the enemy force. Nice work.
Go here. Thanks.
Match point. Let's close this contract out.
That'll do. Smashing.
Lethal out.
Deploying utility.
Hey, help me out. Hey, help me out. Enemy spotted.
Need help.
Enemy spotted.
Enemies spotted.
Here.
Come on, try again.
Enemies spotted.
Lethal out.
Need help. Lethal out.
Move here.
Enemy
On
spotted.
your feet. Hey, help me out.
We only have 5 reinforcements remaining.
Deploying utility.
Help me out.
Get me up.
Enough.
Lethal out. Move here.
Lethal
Let's go.
out.
Get up.
We're out of reinforcements.
So slow.
Deploying utility.
Help.
Come on, buddy.